LIFE PHARMA-DETOX project aims to develop, test and demonstrate an innovative system for the treatment of wastewater produced by the pharmaceutical industry using renewable energy sources. The project is led by Metochymi, a prominent pharmaceutical company with a global presence in collaboration with 3 universities recognized for their excellence in environmental and climate action initiatives: the National Technical University of Athens, Aarhus University, and the University of Catania, Sicily. Additionally, Nevis, a Greek SME specializing in novel environmental solutions, is also a key partner. The LIFE PHARMA-DETOX will detoxify active pharmaceutical ingredients, so-called APIs, and will return purified water of high quality to be reused by industry. Otherwise, APIs would pass to the sewerage system, causing the well-reported environmental problem associated with APIs accumulation. The environmental problem we handle. Wastewater from pharmaceutical industry represents a critical environmental challenge due to its high concentrations of active pharmaceutical ingredients, including antibiotics, endocrine disrupting chemicals, and other toxic, persistent, and non-biodegradable substances. These contaminants can enter the ecosystems through industrial discharge, improper disposal of medicine, and excretion by humans and animals, causing significant harm to aquatic and terrestrial environments. APIs in water bodies disrupt ecosystems, affect biodiversity, and accumulate in soil and crops, especially when reclaimed water is caused for irrigation. Furthermore, antibiotics in wastewater contribute to the development of antimicrobial resistance, the so-called AMR, which is one of the top global public health threats. Conventional wastewater treatment methods are inadequate to remove these pollutants, emphasizing the urgent need for advanced treatment technologies to protect both ecosystem and public health. AMR is a critical challenge to both environmental and human health targeted by the LIFE PHARMA-DETOX project.
Metochymi Limited is a generic pharmaceutical company and develops, licenses, manufactures, markets, and distributes branded generic pharmaceutical products. Established in 1976 by Dr. Pitas, today it employs around 2,000 people worldwide and owns 15 manufacturing facilities, of which 9 are located in Cyprus, 1 in the Netherlands, and 5 in Vietnam. The company maintains 3,800 marketing authorization licenses for 630 pharmaceutical products. Taking on the role of coordinating beneficiary for this innovative project aligns seamlessly with Metochymi's operation and underscores the company's commitment to environment sustainability, a central pillar of its business activities. LIFE PHARMA-DETOX project aims to develop, test, and demonstrate an innovative system for the treatment of pharmaceutical wastewater using renewable energy sources.
Effective wastewater treatment is one of our top priorities, which inspired our active role in creating the LIFE PHARMA-DETOX project. This innovative project will help us comply with strict environmental policies, improve water basin quality, and address water scarcity. By continuously monitoring and improving our systems, we ensure minimal environmental impact and reinforce our commitment to sustainability. We are excited for the next phase of this project, especially as we advance the development of the pilot system. LIFE PHARMA-DETOX has the potential to deliver significant benefits for both the environment and our operations, while setting an example for other pharmaceutical companies across Europe. Furthermore, expanding to other Metochymi facilities will enhance our operation, boost efficiency, and reinforce our commitment to sustainability.
With a production values of 49 billion euros, 3.3 billion of investment in research and development, and almost 70,000 workers, Italy is among the world's leading pharmaceutical hubs. The Italian pharmaceutical market ranks 7th worldwide, being the first industry sector in Italy for innovation agreement with the university and research center. The pharmaceutical industry is heavily concentrated in 5 regions of the center north of Italy, although significant presence also characterizes other regions. This is the case of Sicily in the south, where this industry employs over 1,700 direct workers and 2,000 in the supply sectors. The pharmaceutical wastewater treatment are subjected to integrated environmental authorization and generally can include different pre-treatment processes, such as equalization, neutralization, storage, pre-oxidation, media filtration. Secondary process mainly consists of conventional activated sludge, sequential bioreactors, membrane filtration, and biological radiated filter systems. Tertiary process, which are targeted on refractory or toxic compounds, can include coagulation and flocculation, UV disinfection, adsorption of hydrocarbons, and advanced oxidation process. The most diffuse wastewater treatment process in the Italian pharmaceutical industry is membrane bioreactors, often coupled with advanced oxidation process. The increasing complexity of pharmaceutical wastewater and stringent limits on water quality stress the need to implement new advanced but sustainable processes. Within this context, the PHARMA-DETOX project is developing an innovative treatment based on the catalytic hydrogenation of active pharmaceutical ingredients. By using a holistic perspective, the project also embraces specific tasks for evaluating the sustainability of the proposed solution, including the monitoring of the environmental and socio-economic impacts through life cycle assessment and life cycle costing approaches. These activities are the main task of the University of Catania in the PHARMA-DETOX project. The input data for the comprehensive SCAs are obtained from the demonstration activities, thus providing a reliable database for the formulation of the foreground inventory, collecting all relevant input and output flow. This activity will be the basis for the LCA study, which assesses and possibly improves the environmental sustainability of the PHARMA-DETOX system. The socio-economic impact of the project will be assessed as well. Social SCA evaluates impact categories, which are related to 5 main stakeholder groups targeted by the project: workers, consumers, local community, society, and value chain actors. Life cycle costing will complete the overall framework by taking into account operation and maintenance costs, end-of-life costs, and costs input to environmental externalities. This comprehensive analysis, including all sustainability pillars, will support the acceptability and replicability of the proposed process in other regions and countries.
Aarhus University is proud to be part of the PHARMA-DETOX project. Our primary focus within the project is on integrating renewable energy systems to make wastewater management more sustainable given our strong background in renewable energy research and sustainability. Wastewater treatment is often energy intensive, traditionally relying on conventional energy sources, which contributes on its environmental impact. At Aarhus University, we're demonstrating how renewable energy systems can replace these standard energy sources. By incorporating 100% renewable energy into the prototype systems, we aim to significantly minimize the environmental footprint of pharmaceutical wastewater management. Now, the integration of renewable energy into wastewater management has a dual benefit. First, it reduces the carbon emissions associated with energy consumption, aligning with global goals of decarbonization. Secondly, it offers a sustainable model for treating pharmaceutical contaminants, ensuring that the system is environmentally friendly and energy efficient. This not only addresses the ecological challenges, but also aligns with the industry ESGs, the environmental, social, and governance goals. Now, the long-term impacts are quite significant. By utilizing renewable energy, we are creating a system that can serve as a blueprint for sustainable wastewater management in pharmaceutical industries across Europe and beyond. This approach is scalable, adaptable, ensuring that it can be transferred to other industries and regions, thereby supporting a wider transition to environmentally sustainable practices.
In conclusion, the project environmental goals and objectives are: avoid API's release in the wastewater sewage system, reuse and recycle clean water for manufacturing plants or used for irrigation purposes, save potable water, thus providing a solution to the water scarcity, minimize the environmental footprint resulting from the use of renewable energy sources for the operation of the proposed innovative system, act as a success case study to other pharmaceutical companies across Europe for the treatment of APIs, and also very important to draft policy recommendations to the European Union.